you a tour of the inside of our camper. So first, we have this little thingy where my dad hangs his keys. It's a magnet.
And
Right
these are the shelves. So this is really how we use this. This is the first night. I mean the second day of the camp. So this is how we kind of put stuff. And this is the USB charger. And we got another USB charger here and a regular outlet there. And this is the hole that we saw from the other side on the other video. And this is in the summertime, this is where the AC goes. Now here,
you remove the pillows and you push this.
And go ahead and open the other one too.
Okay. So this is like all the, I don't know.
Fire extinguisher, first aid, candles, trash can, that kind of things. Here
we have air conditioning.
Well, that's not air conditioning, fan.
Fans. Okay.
And then we got another fans there, the USB fan. And this is
the game.
Yeah, this is kids section. We got card games. That's Uno, Spotted, and just random stuff. This is the set. The who gave it to us?
Mr. Kent.
Yes.
Fun
and this, you're very good at it, and I don't think you always win. All right, it's
close the shower.
Okay, and we're gonna pause the video and we'll show you the back. So what are you sitting on right now?
I'm sitting on the bunk bed.
Yes, so the bottom side, the main floor of our camper is about queen size. The out of the wall is 5 foot, so inside is just, you know, slightly less than that, but I'd say
down here.
And yes, and we'll show that later. Okay, that's the reason we have a sort of 3-section mattress. All right, let's talk about the bunk. This is where you slept last night, and one of the kids sleeps up here, and we have this sort of cargo net we keep out of random stuff.
A little fan.
The fans, that's the roof fan, and I bought the just the housing and added the PC fans. I was thinking maybe I can save some cost, but I think I should have just went ahead and bought the max fan. It would have been a whole lot easier and a much better result. So I may even think about replacing that.
So this is the daddy and brother
Kane
clothes section.
Yeah, and go ahead and show the other side. Yeah, you can leave that up.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's
this is my mom's and mine.
That's sort of the girls' closet.
Girls and boys.
And the middle one.
Oh. The middle one. We used to have a little TV in here.
Yeah, but since we don't really need TV anymore, took the TV and converted it back to additional space. And
now it looks like more storage.
Yeah.
More storage.
I'll probably add a shelf, and so we can put you know, jackets and, you know, stuff like that.
Yesterday night when we played card games, we also ate, so we put food here.
Oh.
And it worked out pretty good. Yeah.
Okay.
So
now how do we play the card? You say you played card yesterday.
Under the bunk bed, my dad's latest addition in the inside is the card table.
So this goes like this. Yeah, that's okay. We'll just hold it like that.
Well, we we had more time, we would hook it like here, but, and then it's pretty thin, so all we can put on is cards.
That's right.
Not much weight.
That's right. Don't step on it.
No.
Daddy's gonna be very mad. All right, and see, light-wise, we got beading light, and 2 dome light. I'm gonna let this go. And there's the maybe kind of hard to see, but there's a night light with off. I think this is both red and white, and this is white, and this is red. And
so keep the bugs away.
that's right.
That's all.
So that's
Basically it.
okay. In the winter, when it's cold, we use this heater. I think this is 500 watt, and the middle or the low is 250, and it got up to what, about 70 last night, and outside was 40, and with 4 people inside, I think that's plenty warm enough. And I think
Important thing.
okay.
Goldfish.
We should really put that over there.
One of my favorites.
Okay. Thank you, May. Ooh, excuse me.
This is the toilet version of the camper.
Yes, and we haven't used this
Yet.
and we don't know how it's gonna work, and we haven't even unwrapped the porta potty yet.
Yeah.
But we're thinking about carrying this in this footwell, and as we travel on a long road trip, you know, when we get to the point where we can't find the restroom, or we get stuck in a traffic jam or something like that,
We could go in the camper.
and do our business. And actually, matter of fact, we had to do that a couple times when you were very little.
We did?
Yeah, we carried the little bitty kids, you know.
Oh!
Yeah, it was handy. So, but with this, not just you know, adult can use that as well. Thank you.
So, this is the living room version of the camper.
And so the bunk bed is stored
Right here.
right there, and everything
Yeah.
is.
Not much.
So this is actually. Why don't you stand up? You can.
Almost.
Actually,
I
you can-
grew a little.
Yeah, you used to. You can just stand there without any problem.
But I can still change like this.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit harder for adults, but not too bad. So this is how we hang out,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, May.
Bye. So this is the dining setup.
And we use this when it's
Cold, raining, possibly too hot.
yep. And so this is obviously a table, and it claps down to become a floor of the main bed, and this both side flips up, so we can store stuff under the floor. Now we just kind of use the mattress
As
to
couches.
make a couch or the backrest.
And poor kids don't have any couches.
No, but you guys are okay. So typically kids sit on the back because it's a little bit harder to get around the table into that side of the dining room, and adult sit over here because it's really easy to just come sit like so. So this is
The dining room version of the camper.
all right. Thank you, May.
Bye. So one more thing. you may have saw this in the other videos. This is the bug screen.
Okay. And
Only on this side.
yes.
So you just like do this and do that on the other side. And it goes all the way out. You can zip it up so bugs don't come in. Yeah. Whoa.
Okay.
What'd that do?